unboxing video of Traktor Control D2. Let's see what's inside it. So I got this controller from Pro Musical Egmo. It's a brand new, just bought it. Just going to open it. So yeah, so there's a good sponge for all this safetiness, and there is Traktor Control D2 inside. Brand new one. It's pretty lightweight. I guess somewhere around 2 kilos. It's pretty good. So I'll keep that aside. Next comes that and all other stickers and instructions. So you get the get all kind of plugs, international plugs. Get USB cable and a special splitter cable where you can connect one adapter and you can use two Traktor Control D2. And there is a charger. And pretty much that's it. This is the unboxing video of Traktor Control D2.